Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn German. At the end, don't forget to give thumbs up and to subscribe this video if you liked it. Let's begin with the very first lecture, the alphabets. Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. There are 26 letters in the German language, same as in the English language from the A to Z. But the German languages had added 4 extra letters which we will study further. So, with the combination of 26 plus 4 extra letters, there are total 30 letters in the German language. Listen each letter carefully and don't forget to repeat after me. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, A, S, S, G, G, H, H, E, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Now the 4 extra letters which are added in the German language, these are here shown in front of you. A umlaut, U umlaut, O umlaut, S. Let's know what is this and how these letters are pronounced. The 2 dots over the letter A is called an umlaut. It becomes A umlaut, which is A. U umlaut is pronounced as U. Just roll your tongue and say U. O umlaut, U. This letter is pronounced as S, which is double S. And there is a short note to remember that no word begins with the letter S, which means this letter not be in the beginning of the word. I hope this video helped you out. Danke.